Madgaon, Bidgaon, Sarigade, not only Madgaon, all across the state, there is strict campaign. Not only that, color in also your other, like like in red chili powder and all those things in bulk which is sold. Right from that and other colors that are used, right from the colors that are being used. I'm talking about not color as such, but any material that is used. We are just trying to see that the random sampling is taken. We have no intention of harassing anybody, but FDA Director Shweta Desai has been already told very categorically, raids will not stop. Second, hygiene in every restaurant. Randomly we will check. And if we find that anything and they don't have RO filter, they don't have proper, proper hygiene, I will seal them and there's no question of applying them. We'll blacklist them for 6 months. All the restaurants, all the wholesale dealers of various food products, all the sweet mart people who are there using those foils, we are also going to take and have this in detailed analysis which is available with us in FDA. Director has been told on a daily basis to submit a report to me. We are not going because of lifestyle and because also the cancer cases in the state. Now, if you go to look at the overall statistics, then somebody can justify and say, no, it is okay, it is marginally increased, but we don't want to be a state that is compromising on these type of things. Fruits and all, also where we see the artificial ripening and we see them selling those yellow color bananas which look artificially yellow. All those things, because these are the things that are actually adding a problem in all, long term intake of these things is also creating problems. So we are everywhere they are taking steps. People call me, people put pressure on me, please release, please unseal. We are not going to listen to anybody. We are here to see that the people's life is safe and we are going to make sure that everybody is safe and we want to see that the strict protocols, FDA is on the move continuously. And